I made $3,000 in my demo trading account today, and this is how I did it. Let's see if we get a fill on this long. The reason why I'm entering in long is because the dollar index is not respecting these PD arrays. I think we are bearish on the dollar, which means likely bullish on the indices. Once I get filled, I'm going to target this high and this high. Good. We are filled one contract. Perfect. So I am now long 2 contracts. The reason why I'm bullish is the dollar index is looking extremely weak. The dollar index is going to go down, means the indices are likely to go higher. But of course, nothing's ever guaranteed like that, but that is the basis for this trade. Dow is above the 75% of this. So I think if Dow is going to go higher and the foreign exchange currencies are also going higher, this may be a good potential long targeting this high up here and this high up here. Going in my direction. Tried entering into a 3rd contract to not get filled, but that is okay. Not sure I like this. The dollar index is going up, even though I would have liked it to go lower. So I'm watching this. No, it looks good. I think the drawn liquidity is up here so that I could at least take my first partial off. Missed the target. I still think it wants to get up there, but it's gonna take just a little bit longer. Reason is, look at the 15-minute chart. Pretty big green candle. I do think the drawn liquidity is right up there, so even though we didn't get a fill right now, I think we may get a fill, and I'm not sure if our second target will get hit because we still have only about 29 minutes till day closes, so we'll see. Perfect. Target 1 is hit. Now we'll see if it wants to come hit our target number 2. These are all fake accounts. It's not real money. It's for me to just still learn how to trade. But the sim account is pretending we have 20 accounts. And so I have 3 evaluation accounts right now. And I'm using this to just kind of think mentally. It's like, great, let's say I have 20 performance accounts. How much money would I have made? So just all hypothetical, just for fun. Yep. I think the next drawn liquidity is right up here on the hourly, which is this level right here. Not a fan. It's retracing a little bit, but you know, that is normal. I guess I could have moved my stop and just taken the stop out, but it does limit my profitability. Looking at this here, I see the dollar is looking pretty bearish, which is a good sign. Means we are likely going higher on the NQ. I did see it stop right here at the CE of this wick and wanting to go lower, but I think it's just a normal retracement before coming to take out this high. So if this thing tanks right here, that would be a good sign. Dollar is still looking heavy, so that is a good sign. Still targeting up here. There we go. Geez, yeah, that's the problem with taking limit orders. You kind of miss out on an extra 10 handles or so of movement, but that is good. Happy I was able to take this trade. All right, so let's go through this trade and figure out why I entered in and the reason this trade worked out. The dollar has an inverse relationship to indices and to forex pairs, so it's kind of using all these in tandem, kind of all together to figure out where the drawn liquidity is, which way price is going. I saw an order block here and price came up and it was respecting the mean threshold right here. And because of this, I thought we were going to be bullish on dollar, which means I was waiting for price to come take this out. If we were bullish on dollar, that means indices would go down. But price actually stopped right here and it came down here. And I noticed price was not respecting this green candle right here. So this up to here, we were good. I wanted to see immediate rejection. It did go up, but then it came down and it closed down here. That was my sign that, hey, we are bearish on the dollar, which means we are potentially bullish on NASDAQ. So I was only looking for bullish entries. Since I was only looking for bullish entries, on the 1 hour, I saw price came and stopped right at the quarter level. It didn't even come halfway. So that showed we were potentially bullish, and I didn't think price would want to come even lower. So I looked at the halfway mark of this wick on the hourly, and that was actually this area on the 15-minute, which came right to this range on the 5-minute. So looking at the 1-minute chart, I was looking for fair value gaps where we could possibly enter. So I entered in one contract here and another contract here. My stop was down here. After it respected this area, I tried to enter into a 3rd contract, but I did not get filled and took my partial right up here and completely closed position right up here. And you can could see my executions. Here is the fair value gap on the 1 minute. Here's the other fair value gap. You could see I entered in right here, entered right here. My stop was down here. And after I took my first partial, only then did I move my stop up. Then as it continued going up, then I moved my stop up again until we were to exit. And take a look at that. Price is actually coming right back down. So that was a good exit. Yeah, I probably could have gotten a few more handles, but I'm not trying to do that right now because of course it's not guaranteed. If you like this video and want to see more like this, make sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe.